It really provides you the tools to really help set place the next 90 days of what you're going to be doing within, not only within your business, but on your business.
Getting down to the core of your business and really working on that, and recognizing that people in the room are also doing the same, and I think it forms a special bond too.
The easiest way to grow your business and the least cost way to grow your business is referrals. Is that true?
What's interesting about the Growth Club is that everyone in the room is interested in growing their business. So you're automatically in a room full of folks who are not there because they're punching the time clock, but because they actually want to see revenue growth and profit growth in their business.
I think the Growth Club allows us to focus on our business with our management team in a central area away from the office, where we can truly get down and focus on the needs of what we want to do over the next 30 to 60 to 90 days. And that's very beneficial for us.
It's your roadmap for the next 90 days, so it really helps you think of what's to come and where do you want to be in those 90 days to hold yourself accountable.
Every quarter, some of the fastest growing businesses in Northeast Kansas come together for Action Coach Business Coaching Growth Club 90-Day Strategic Planning. In this event, we do strategies that will help you grow your business in smart ways. We'll coach you step by step through some processes that'll help you improve your profitability. And then you'll map out your next 13 weeks on how you're going to make it happen in your business.
Setting out action steps, priorities, goals, and just really lining out for the next 3-month period exactly what you're going to do and what order you're going to do it.
No doubt in our mind that we're on the track to be a great company and a great business, and Action Coach has really been the catalyst that made that happen.
The quality of people that are in the room is just amazing because they're really the decision makers.
I liked it because it was simple, and it pointed out a lot of things in business that you deal with maybe every day, but you don't really necessarily focus on or think that it has that big of an impact on your business.
We thought outside the box. We had lots of ideas presented to us that we hadn't thought of before, a lot of good training in all areas.
My recommendation to someone who's thinking about Growth Club is just do it. You won't regret it. The leadership that comes from the Action Coach team is incredible. The information that's provided is incredible. The ability to line out your action steps and your plans to that correlate with the goals that you've just talked about. It's an unbelievable day that no one would regret.
Just do it. Just make the time out of your schedule to mark your calendar and make the commitment to not only yourself but to your business and to your employees.
So bring your team and join us for the next Growth Club.